this is Laura Tran. Welcome back to my channel. I've been gone for a while and I've been really into houseplants. And today I'm actually unboxing something from Gabriella Plants. So this is it. It just arrived. It says it was in 2-day packaging, and this is my first time ordering from Gabriella. I didn't get anything very exotic or terribly uncommon. I did get a so this is my first order from Gabriella, and I just wanted to give it a try. I got 4 plants in total. One is an Aglaonema Lucky Red. The other is a Philodendron Tiger Tooth or Jungle Boogie, which is a green version. So this is cute. This is my first time opening from Gabriella Plants, as I mentioned. So there's a little thank you from our greenhouse to your house. I like it. And then on the front, it also says State of Florida. It shows that this is a certified that the materials in this shipment meets the requirements of California quarantines, and it's fairly important. Other states actually do need permits to ship plants, live plants, into California because there are a lot of restrictions. You know, so for example, citrus is not allowed, other reasons. Okay, so this is what the box looks like on the inside. I'm actually really excited. Okay, so this is the first one. Let's go ahead and open this up. So when you're unboxing, it is packed really well, of course. And this is in styrofoam. It's got a little bit of cheesecloth, I think this is, or some type of cloth fiber. And okay, and then this is one of the plants that I decided to get for my friend. She just had a family member pass away, and I know that this is a plant that she had been admiring in my collection. I have a baby one of these. Oh, it's a Calathea Ornata or Calathea Pinstripe, and it's really cute. And this was on sale at Gabriella Plants. I think it was like $8 or $10 for a 4-inch pot. And then of course, if you order 4 or more plants, you actually get a percentage off. I think it's like 10% off or something, or 15%. So this plant was even more discounted, and it's got one tiny leaf that was probably already wilted before they packed it. But yeah, so this is the first one, and it looks super good so far. No pests that I can see, and it's actually got a good number of leaves. Okay, the next one, which was packed the other side, upside down. Okay, let's go ahead and kind of move this out of the way. Ooh, I think this is the Aglaonema Lucky Red, and it's very pretty. Okay, so cute. Oh, a little bit of dirt. Oh, it's so cute. Look at it. So this, I think, was the one of the pricier plants. I don't remember. Maybe it was on sale also. Maybe $12. It's super cute. It's really pretty. I'm gonna remove these rubber bands. I like this rubber band idea to keep down the cotton, actually. Okay, when you're unboxing, just always know that there's gonna be a little bit of dirt, but this is super cute. Again, I'm gonna do a closer inspection. I always do an inspection and quarantine new plants for about 2 weeks. Okay, here's another one. It looks like this might be the other Calathea. Ah, this I think is the Jungle Boogie. So I'm gonna go ahead, and then, oh, here on the inside, there's an unboxing guide, which maybe I should have read, but if there's any issues, you should contact Gabriella Plants immediately. It looks like this was selected and treated by Wesley and packed and shipped by Veronica. Thank you, Wesley and Veronica. Let's actually open up the Jungle Boogie. I'm very excited. Okay. Ooh, it's cute. From what I can see, it's very cute. I really like this packaging. They are experts. I mean, they've been doing this, and they've shipped plants to people all over the US. And they have a lot of reviews, so. Okay, there is, this one was quite wet and is still wet, as you can see. Why? Don't know. And there's dirt all over it, so, what I usually do when I receive plants is I give them a light rinse. I know you're not really supposed to do that, but I do anyways. I mean, look at this. It has dirt all over it, so I'm gonna rinse it out. But this, as you can see, is starting to get those little jagged leaves edges, which is what the tiger tooth or jungle boogie is known for. So I'm excited to see this one grow. I love philodendrons, which is why I decided to get one. And I think this one was, I think the most expensive. I think it was like 15 bucks. Okay. Now let's get on the last one, which is another Calathea Ornata. Just wanna do. Now usually when I get two of the same plants, I don't always like duplicates, but there are some plants that they're a little bit less common and I can't find them easily in stores near me, I will sometimes get, this is so pretty. Look how shiny it is. This one's a lot shinier, or maybe they're the same. I just feel like this one's really shiny and it's so cute. So one is for my friend, and then one I'm probably either gonna put in another spot in my home or give it to my mom, because I just think this Calathea Ornata is so cute and pretty. I love the dark green foliage, the shiny with the pink pinstripes. I don't know, this looks like art to me. It really does. And so I think that it makes a great gift for the special ladies or men in your life who like that little bit of pink. So that was my first unboxing from Gabriella Plants. I have to say I'm really happy with what I've gotten. I was expecting them to be smaller plants, but I am pleasantly surprised by how many leaves these Ornatas have. And the only thing I didn't like was how wet this jungle boogie is. Like, it's, as you can see, the dirt is super wet and the plant is still wet. So I'll let this dry out a little bit in the new plant isolation area that I have, and I will keep you posted. But this looks really great so far. So very happy with my very first purchase and shipment received from Gabriella Plants. See you next time.